10 Amazing Art Mediums. Number 1. Bushes. The earliest known cutting of bushes as art was in ancient Egypt and the Roman Empire. It was popular in the gardens of the wealthy in the 18th century. It is experiencing a modern-day revival in parks, outdoor art galleries, festivals, and resorts. Number 2. Food. Environments made entirely out of various foods, started as foods advertisements, can take up to 2 or 3 days to build, so certain food elements are in danger of spoiling. Sketches and plans have to be made first to assemble and photograph the food as quickly as possible before it spoils. Number 3. Eggs. Fabergé art. The earliest eggshell art is 60,000 years old from Africa. The most famous eggshell art are the 42 surviving Fabergé eggs. The most expensive egg sold for $19 million. Number 4. Toothpicks. The largest toothpick sculptures contain millions of toothpicks and take a few decades to build. Some contain good luck toothpicks friends and family bring back from travels, weddings, or celebrations. For larger structures, artists have to study blueprints and satellite photos of the things they want to build. Number 5. Paper. Can make paper objects that fly, require blowing air in them to complete, or that can move. Created in China in the 1st century, it was reserved only for the wealthy who could afford paper. It was a Japanese custom that if a person folded 1,000 paper crates, they would be granted one wish. Number 6. Pencils. The artist must cut, sharpen, and drill a hole for every pencil so they can hold together. Pencil sculptures are still a new art form, and each can take several attempts to get right even by experienced artists. Creations are becoming a hit in galleries around the world. Number 7. Cars. A Volkswagen Beetle that has been morphed into a perfect sphere was sold for $90,000. Other examples of car art include a watchtower made of cars where visitors can climb to the top. Most can be assembled with a crane and a set of welding equipment. Some require specialized tools to create. Number 8. Hands. A good hand painting can take 10 hours to put on. Hand art is mostly made by makeup specialists. Oftentimes, it is hard to even recognize the hand in the picture. Number 9. Legos. Legos can be used to create functioning robots, guitars, calculators, and even flamethrowers. The Lego house, built from 6 million pieces, had running water connected to its Lego sink and Lego toilet. Since nobody was willing to buy the Lego house, it was eventually dismantled and the pieces given to charity. Number 10. Cassette tape. A magnetic tape from the cassette manipulated by hand into an image. Most images of the artists are created from a cassette with their music for symbolic meaning. True cassette tape art is considered to be the one made with the challenge of never being allowed to cut the tape to create the image.